The Browning BR-28 28CB antenna is built for very high power handling, comfortably accommodating 10,000-watt systems without breaking a sweat in demanding mobile installations. Its broad coverage from 25 megahertz to 30 megahertz makes it suitable for a wide range of citizens band and adjacent radio applications, which is ideal if you run multiple radios or channels. The combination of a tempered stainless steel whip and shaft gives this antenna impressive durability, so it stands up well to highway wind, vibration, and harsh weather over the long term. With a total height of 63 inches from the 6-inch shaft and roughly 49 1/4-inch whip, it offers strong signal reach and reliable performance for both transmitting and receiving. The round copper coil, heavily chrome-plated, is not just visually appealing, but also contributes to efficient power transfer and consistent tuning across its operating band. Installation is straightforward thanks to the standard 3/8" by 24 thread, allowing you to pair it easily with common antenna mounts on trucks, off-road vehicles, or base setups.